Okay, so the new physical quantity that we are learning is acceleration, which means rate of change of velocity, which means uh, mathematical expression is v minus u by t, where v is final velocity and u is initial velocity. Acceleration is denoted by small a, and for the purpose of ninth standard, we will only take acceleration as positive or negative. However, it is a vector quantity which also has a direction. So if the acceleration is in the direction of velocity, then it is taken as positive. If it is against the direction of velocity, it is taken as negative. Its SI unit is meter per second square. Meter per second is for velocity. Another second is for time, which makes it meter per second square. And then we also discussed uniform accelerated motion. Uniform accelerated motion is a motion where acceleration is constant, which means body is moving in a straight line and the rate of change of velocity is equal in equal interval of time. Free fall is an example of uniform accelerated motion, where in subsequent chapters we will study that acceleration value is 9.8 meter per second square. And finally, a uniform accelerated motion is a non-uniform motion for a simple reason that velocity is changing. Velocity is not constant. Whereas in uniform motion, velocity is constant. The definition of uniform motion is if a body travels in such a way that it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then its motion is known as uniform motion. Now let's solve this numerical. Do it.
So I think 2/35 meter per second.
So there are two cases in this question.
Sir, I don't know how to do it.
Okay. So let's read out, and let's also try to do all the numericals in a very structured way. Because if you follow those tips, then it will become one easier and it will also minimize the chances of error. So whenever we will do numerical, we will first write down given values. We will read the question to identify what values are given. So let's read the question and write down. Starting from a stationary position, Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meter per second in 30 seconds. So starting from a stationary position, which means what? How much was the initial velocity? Tell me. We will say given values. We will say case 1. Starting from stationary position. Stationary position means bicycle was standing. So U is 0. Starting from stationary position, Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meter per second in 30 seconds. He goes to attain a velocity of 6 meter per second and time is 30 seconds. Okay. Case 2. Then he applies brake such that the velocity of bicycle comes down to 4 meter per second in next 5 seconds. What is initial velocity now? Initial velocity is when he is applying brakes. So he was at 6 meter per second. So 6 meter per second is initial velocity. After applying brake, the velocity comes down to 4 meter per second. In how much time? In next 5 seconds. So t here is 5 seconds. Okay. So we are just writing, understanding the question and writing what is given. Then we will write to find out what is that the numerical asks us to find out. So it asks us to find out acceleration in both the cases. We have to find out acceleration. So if we do it cleanly till this time, we will clearly know what is given. We will clearly know what is to be calculated. And then we will write formula. So formula is V minus U by T. Formula is V minus U by T. And the third step is, this is step 2. This is step 3 formula. And the final fourth step is that we will put values and calculate. In physics, always postpone the calculation. Postpone it till the last minute. This example is a simpler example, but I'm just saying in general. So this is how much?
Is it 5 meter per second?
Huh?
Sir, is it 5 the answer?
5. How come 5? V is how much? 6 meter per second. U is how much? 0. So V minus U is this. 6 minus 0 divided by time is 30. This is 1 by 5. What is unit? मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. यहाँ पर वैल्यू रखो. V is 4.
मैं बोल रही थी.
U is minus 6. T is 5. This is minus 2 by 5. This is why it is negative, because he has applied brakes. Why it is positive? Because he was paddling it fast. So the acceleration is in the direction of velocity. Here the acceleration is in the opposite direction of velocity. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just quickly note it.
So I have noted.
Okay, so the next question is, all these are in-text questions again. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour. This is hour minus 1, hour raised to the power minus 1. 2 km, 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. This should be simple. We have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. And I told you how to do it, if you remember. What you can do, you can convert the difference. That might be simpler instead of converting both. Okay, this is a simple question, but I am doing it for a specific purpose. Let me just do it for you. So this is question, let's say 1. Now let me do question 2. We will again say given values. What is initial velocity in this example? Leona? A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour.
80 meter per second.
80 km per hour.
Yes,
It is
sir.
it, है ना? So 80 kilometer per hour was the velocity when we started taking our observation. So that is initial. When we concluded our observation, that becomes final, which is 60 kilometer per hour. And time is 30 seconds. So 80, 60 and 30. Let's go back to whiteboard. We will say kilometer per hour is final. 80 kilometer per hour is initial and time is 5 seconds. What we need to find out? We need to find out acceleration. Okay. Now we will play a little smart. So we will first calculate change in velocity. Change in velocity is how much? Final, which is 60, minus initial, which is 80, which is minus 20 kilometer per hour. And we want to convert it into meter per second. So we will say 20 into 5 by 18. Because हमने पढ़ा था कि हम इस तरह से करेंगे तो ये किलोमीटर पर आवर से मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. Now let's not hurry up in trying to reduce this number or simplify this number. Let's say it is like this. Minus 20 into 5 divided by 18. Because I made a comment in physics, we will postpone our calculation till the last minute. Because it will simplify things. Now what? A is what? A is V minus U by T. So V minus U in meter per second is minus 20 into 5 divided by 18. And T is how much? T is also 5. Now you see this 5 will cancel with this 5. And we can have now simpler calculation. This is 10 by 9 meter per second square. So what we have done with little smartness, we avoided calculating 60 and 80 twice into meter per second. We just calculated the difference and then converted the difference in one go. Otherwise, we would have converted it to first this, second this, then taken a difference. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take a quick note.
So I have done.
Okay.
Sir, I have also noted.
Okay, let's also do this final quickly. Then we will close today's class. Can you see screen?
Sir, actually, I have another class at 4.
Okay, so let's do it in the next class. Okay,
Okay, sir.
bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.